Pnawn da bawb, croeso I Barc Penydar y Merthyr ar achlysur rownd derfynol Cwpan Cymru y menywod 2023. Caerdydd yn ffefrynnau clir ar gyfer y prynhawn yma. Bas ymlaen, a mae'r cyffyrddiad gan Coli, does dim cam sefyll, a mae'r gôl wedi dod. Fe agorodd yr amddiffyn fel y môr coch, a Coli sydd yn manteisio. Eliza Coli, 19 oed. Tafliad I Gaerdydd. Mae gan Bowem yn edrych I fyny digon opsiynau yn y canol. Dyma Catherine Welsh yn dod amdani ac ar yr hanner foli mae Welsh yn rhwydo ac yn dyblu mantais Caerdydd. Caerdydd 2, Llansawel dim, lot o emosiwn yn y gôl na. Welsh yn dychwelyd o anaf cas. Fion Price unwaith eto dros y gic gornel. Mae'n I chrymanu ddim mewn at y postyn agosa. Mae'n curo pawb ac mae'n mewn. Ac mae Price wedi sgorio yn syth o'r gic gornel y drydedd I Gaerdydd. Caerdydd tair, Llansawel dim. A mae Llansawel, maen nhw'n heiddi canmoliaeth am aros yn y gêm. Bas ymlaen, Cook, dros ben. O, hyfryd! Oakley, Rhian Oakley. Wel, eiliad yn ôl, o'n i'n gweud bod Llansawel heb ildio, ond y croesiad gan Cook a'r foli ar y postyn pella gan Rhi Oakley yn curo Courtney Young. Mae'r bedwaredd wedi dod yn y funud ola un. Gemma Granger a Will Lloyd Williams o Gymdeithas Bêl Drod yn cyflwyno'r cwpan I Siobhan Walsh, capten Caerdydd. Enillwyr Cwpan Cymru 2023 yn cyflawni'r dwbl. Maen nhw wedi gosod y bar o ran pêl-droed menywod yng Nghymru.
Oh, girls, huge congratulations. There are going to be some big celebrations in the Welsh household this evening, I think, Catherine.
Yeah, definitely. But again, it's not about us two, it's about the team today and about the club overall. And we've had a fantastic season and this just tops it off.
Siobhan, to retain the double as you have, to win the Welsh Cup again and to get that double secured as well. Can you tell me the emotions that are going through your mind at the moment?
I'm just really proud that everyone's worked really hard all season. You know, we wanted to retain this cup. That was the first thing. The league, obviously, as well. So we've done both of those, and obviously, yeah, just very proud of the girls, all the work they've done.
Well, Fionn, the champagne is flowing. Some of the girls have kindly just poured some over yourself. Just tell me how good this feels.
Oh, words can't describe me, and as a big Cardiff fan myself, to put on the badge and play for the club you love, it's unbelievable. We've had a fantastic season, and I think we got what we deserved today.
It feels great, you know, we set our targets at the start of the season. We knew we had a good chance in every competition, and to win the double, it feels so good. It's what the club deserve, and you can tell the club's going in the right direction. And I thought, you know, credit to Briton Ferry, I will say, they played really well today. They made it difficult for us, and they should be proud of themselves as well.
Oh, here's huge commiserations to you. It wasn't the afternoon you hoped for in the end.
Yeah, I thought we were good today. I thought we made a really good account of ourselves. The girl did us proud and did me proud. I asked them to run themselves to the ground, and you can see the last 5 minutes they did that. There was people on the floor, and you know, massive credit to Cardiff City. They're a brilliant football club, and they deserve everything they've had today.
Courtney, a disappointing end to such a good season for you girls, and you threw some cracking saves in there today as well.
Yeah, do you know, it's been a long season for all of us. I think we played in nearly every game possible, especially with a play-off as well, and proud of all the girls, to be fair. We all worked hard to be here, and I think we deserved it at the end of the day.
It's been a pleasure to watch you today. Diolch yn fawr iawn.